Hello, everybody. Welcome. Today we are going to learn how to insert a picture from the internet into our Google Docs document. Let's start from scratch. First, let's write an introductory sentence. I'll press enter a few times and start typing on the touch screen keyboard. We're gonna learn. Yeah. Okay, let's hit insert. Let's go to image. And from here, let's go to search the web. Once it lets me search the web for images, I will just start to type up here in this box what I'm looking for. Sailboat. Great. I want to tell you to subscribe. Thank you very much for hitting that bell notification if you haven't done so. So now that I'm looking through clip art, once again, let me switch it to clip art. Clip art is just more like artwork and drawings of pictures instead of realistic photos. I like it for this type of work. But I want sailboat sunset clip art. I like this picture, so click on it and hit insert, which is on the bottom. And now the picture is inserted into our work. I have to click this button first though. That's this one right here. Yeah, now I can move the picture freely, and I can resize it and move it around left and right and back and forth just like this. If I press enter a few times, now I can type some more lines of writing. And so it was told. I can zoom in and out of my page from up here. Ah, this fits. Great. Moving my picture around. Yes, sweet picture moving freedom. Rotations as well. Just grabbing that little ball on the top will help you rotate it. There we go. And now I will insert another picture. I'm just going to put two pictures side by side to help you learn and understand how to control these pictures. Look, as I try to move it, it doesn't work because I have to click that button first, the one that says in front of text or behind text. Once you do that, for some reason, it just frees the picture up to move around the page freely. Let me resize both of these images to make them somewhat equal in height and length. If I want to edit text, I can do it from here. Yep, the iPad is really letting me do everything and anything I want to do as far as writing and inserting pictures is concerned. You can also move this around up a little bit. You can crop by double-clicking the picture, which means you can snip edges of the picture off. And that can be useful sometimes. Okay, I actually just went ahead and deleted it by clicking on it and then pressing the backspace key. And subscribe if you enjoyed this. Thanks for leaving feedback and comments on my videos. Bye.